Some beaches actually glow in the dark. It sounds like fantasy, but it's real and it's magical. It's called bioluminescence, when tiny marine organisms like dinoflagellates light up the water. When disturbed by waves, footsteps, or a splash, they glow electric blue. The science: a natural chemical reaction, light made by life itself. It's most visible on dark nights, especially during the new moon in warm coastal waters. You'll find glowing beaches all around the world. Mosquito Bay in Puerto Rico, the brightest on Earth. Jervis Bay, Australia, glowing between May and August. Southern California, Florida, even the San Juan Islands in Washington. You can kayak through glowing waters or walk the shoreline and watch each step shimmer like stardust. No filters, no CGI, just nature, glowing with life. Would you walk on a glowing beach?